İsmim Anvar Muratov. Men shu patsientga Madina Saidmalikovaning otasi bo'laman. Biz bo'tga 10 yil oldin Madinada shu boshida shvannoma aniqlangandan keyin kelganmiz.
Chap tarafim polni ishdan chiqdi. O'sha payt yurolmay qoldim. Qo'llarim ishlamay, qulog'im ham eshitmadi, ko'zim ham xiralashdi. Keyin biz Toshkentda bo'ldik. Toshkentda qilolmaymiz deyishdi bu operatsiyani.
Operatsiya qilishga qaror qilganmiz. Shu olib kelgan paytimda yarim tarafi hammasi paralij bo'lib, yarim chap taraf ishlamagan.
And she'd had acoustic neuroma brain surgery for a tumor in her brain which basically affects her hearing.
Doktor bilan maslahatlashganimizda 5 chunki bu yoshligi uchun 5-6 yil kutish maslahat berdi. O'zi ishlab ketish kerak dedi. Lekin biz 5-6 yil kutdik, hech qanaqa rezultat bo'lmagani uchun O'zbekistonda har xil lecheniyalar qilib ko'rdik, davolanishlarga borib ko'rdik, ignoterapiyalar hammasiga.
Foydasi bo'lmadi. Toshkentda ham 2-3 marta lecheniya qildik. Ninalar oldim. Foydasi umuman bo'lmadi. Mana oxiri Hindistonga keldik 10 yildan so'ng. Bu yerda sun'iy chantkari.
We basically decided to do a facial reanimation surgery, which essentially means restoring her smile dynamically. And this is a complex surgery which we have innovated, whereby we transfer a muscle which is basically meant for biting, the temporalis muscle, onto the angle of the mouth in a particular way so that it can pull the angle of the mouth to make her smile. At the same time, we also transferred another muscle from the neck, which is called digastric muscle, to basically stabilize her lower lip. Apart from this, we also had to stabilize the side of her nose because every time she was trying to smile, the whole face deviated to the right side, and also her nose also deviated to the right side, and sometimes she was having difficulty in breathing as well. So we actually stabilized the left side of the nose as well with the help of a fascia lata sling, which is essentially a piece of material which we take from the thigh.
Yaxshi, men o'zimni tetikroq his qilaman. Yurishlarga ko'chada o'zim bemalol yuraman. Lekin 10 yil ichida bunaqa holatlar bo'lmadi.
Doktor Sunil Chantkari, doktor Bipin Valilarga katta rahmat. Buni yana o'sha oldingi hayotiga qaytarishganligi uchun katta rahmat.